Time to play Switchblade. 1 dart for each target. Game on.
Triple 20, triple 20, triple 20.
Okay, we have a Scolia Home Scoring system, and it's connected. We've connected it to Go Darts Pro. We have a premium account, which allows us to have this virtual coach.
Scored 0.
We're playing these games trying to let the coach make an assessment. Kim's new to the game. She just started playing a couple months ago, messing around, and then just kind of got turned into our league one night because somebody didn't show up. But she's having fun and she wants to get better, so this is a great way for anybody, any skill level,
Scored 0.
to get better. These games are great. A ton of games. A ton of skill sets. Next target, triple 20, triple 20, triple 18.
I kind of blew the last one.
Yeah, well, you can't hit all these.
No, I mean, I didn't. Wasn't paying attention.
I mean, you can hit all these.
Scored 0.
Don't get me wrong, it's possible. But even the pros will.
Yeah.
It's difficult, that's why they put it up there. So, but if you don't practice it, you'll never hit it. So, gotta practice it to hit it.
Scored 20.
But you hit 20, and that's what it's getting you to try to focus on, that certain area, because it wants you to hit those tight targets. But at least it's tracking so that's what it's assessing. It's
I see.
tracking, hey, she's, at least the person is getting the target.
Oh, come on now.
Triple, triple,
Scored 0.
Gosh.
But, yeah, so all you can do is play these games and it tracks your progress. The virtual coach makes assessments. And
Game finished. You scored 20.
gives you more of a thing to go on, more games and more stuff to bring up the weak points of your game. So check it out. GoDartsPro.com and ScoliaDarts.com.